Improve your affiliate marketing business with these effective tips. There are many ways to get rich quick out there. Unfortunately, affiliate marketing isn't one of them. If you wanted to get into marketing because you thought you would make money in a hurry, then it's obvious that you don't understand how affiliate marketing works. That's why you need videos like this, in order to put you back on the right path. Make sure to allow for time to work on your site, especially early on. All affiliate marketers have a goal of owning a work-free site, but getting there takes time. In the beginning, spend some time developing your graphics, updating your design, and doing some research. You'll see a better payoff in the end. Keep searching for high commissions. A company that only pays a tiny percentage is much less likely to value your customer/reader base. Look out for those that offer a commission in at least the double-digit percentage range. These companies are more likely to respect their clients, and by default, yours. Affiliate marketing is a great way to link your website or blog to companies that can make you money. Adding links for specific products to your site will help to not only draw you more targeted traffic, but also earn you a percentage if the people click the link and buy it. Affiliates need to make sure that they're receiving full credit for every sale. For this, you want to find out what type of tracking software a company uses and make sure that it's a legitimate, reliable service. If you are not properly tracked, you could end up losing your commissions. And the company is not going to shed a tear over this. Creating ebooks or viral reports is a great way to build up a strong base as an affiliate marketer. The more information you're willing to offer on any product or service, the more legitimate you will appear in the eyes of a potential customer. As long as you're willing to invest the time here, you can get great results. The path you choose will, ultimately, decide where you end up. You could be a flash-in-the-pan marketer whose profits barely cover expenses, or you could be a success entrepreneur whose profits lead to massive market expansion. The choice is yours. Just remember to refer back to any helpful information, just like you've just watched here, in order to get help on your way. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.